searching some time for something of mine, piece of heaven only I can't explain. I've been faking some smiles, playing with lies, coward's way of killing the pain. Black hole that fed on this emptiness grew, but within my soul I somehow knew. While roaming alone, I was singing a song, hoping I will someday share those beautiful words that no one ever has heard, though it seemed like I never cared. Then I felt your eyes, so pure. I was conquered, and I was sure. Oh, my Omega love, that's you. Final station, destination of the soul. Omega love, we're willing you above all evils that are able to cause storm. Cover to find from beasts of your mind. Evil needs no beauty sleep. It'll get on your track, expose all your black, and bury you down so deep. You have a war of your own to fight. Don't let it break you and enter your heart. Burning embers of hate, uncontrollable fate, it all adds up to this state where no one dares to reveal how he feels it for real, how the truth affects his head. There comes a strength to overcome. Show me your power, your will to go on. You, the final station, destination of the soul. Omega love, we're willing you above all evils that just can't wait to cause storm. My Omega love, it's true. Everybody struggles to keep up the spark. My Omega love, would you? Won't you help me put on sunshine over dark?